The next divine name is Shakur, which means the appreciative. This means that Allah, the Exalted, appreciates the sincere efforts of His servants and rewards them accordingly. This is an indication of the infinite mercy of Allah, the Exalted, as He is the one who provided them with the knowledge, strength, inspiration and opportunity to obey Him, yet He still appreciates their efforts and rewards them for it. The Muslim who understands this fact will be grateful by using the blessings they possess according to the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. This will lead to an increase in blessings. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
A Muslim should act on this divine name by firstly appreciating the blessings Allah, the Exalted, has given them. This should be done through one's heart by acknowledging it, and through correcting their intention so that they only act to please Allah, the Exalted. They should show gratitude through their words by speaking in ways pleasing to Him or remaining silent, and as mentioned earlier, through their actions by using the blessings they possess correctly according to the teachings of Islam. Even if one achieves all the different levels of gratitude, they must remember that showing gratitude to Allah, the Exalted, is not possible without His mercy, as the strength, opportunity, inspiration, ability and knowledge to show gratitude all come from Allah, the Exalted. Understanding this fact will keep one away from pride. In addition, they must show appreciation for the favors done by people. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned in a narration found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 1954, that the one who is not grateful to people cannot be grateful to Allah, the Exalted. Even though the source of all blessings is no one except Allah, the Exalted, yet the creation conveys these blessings to a person. So being grateful to the messenger of the blessing is in fact being grateful to the sender of the blessing, namely, Allah, the Exalted. It is just like when an ambassador of a king is honored because they represent the king. If Allah, the Exalted, is appreciative of the efforts of His servants, even though He is the source of their efforts, how can a Muslim believe they are somehow superior to showing appreciation to people for their favors? Grateful servants of Allah, the Exalted, are few, as it involves abandoning one's desire and instead using each blessing according to the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. This is the characteristic of the true servants of Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 34 Saba, verse 13.
And few of my servants are grateful.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.